Welcome, aspiring entrepreneurs and dedicated team leaders. Today, we're focusing on an essential aspect of your pitch deck: how to showcase your team effectively. Remember, in the eyes of investors, your team is as important as your idea. Let's dive into making your team shine in your pitch deck. Firstly, highlight the diverse expertise of your team. Showcase each member's unique skills and experiences. This diversity demonstrates a well-rounded and capable team, ready to tackle various challenges. Focus on relevant experience. Emphasize the industry and startup experience that aligns with your current venture. This shows that your team isn't just skilled, but also has the right expertise for this specific journey. Showcase individual achievements. Highlight key accomplishments in past ventures, education, or career milestones. These achievements build credibility and give investors a sense of the team's track record. Personalize your team. Share a bit about each member's personality or passions outside of work. This humanizes your team, making them more relatable and engaging to investors. Link your team to your vision. Clearly illustrate how each member's capabilities contribute to achieving your startup's goals. This connection shows that your team is not just talented, but perfectly poised to realize the vision. Use professional photos. Include high-quality professional photographs of your team members. This adds a level of professionalism and makes your pitch more visually appealing. Keep it concise. While showcasing your team is crucial, it's important to keep this section succinct and focused on the most compelling information. Balance detail with brevity to maintain investor interest. Remember, a strong team presentation can be a game changer in your pitch deck. It's not just about the qualifications. It's about presenting a group of people who are passionate, skilled, and ready to turn your vision into a reality. Let's make your team the highlight of your pitch deck and capture the confidence of your investors.